Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna blend papaya, pineapple and carrots to make a drink. So what I'm gonna do is to cut up the papaya and the pine as well, and then I'm gonna throw them into a blender with, well, I'm gonna cut up the carrots as well. Right, and then I am gonna put them into a blender with enough water to cover them, blend them until they are smooth, strain with a strainer. Then I use a cheesecloth to get all the pulps out because I do not like pulps. Then I'm gonna sweeten with sugar. I am gonna use granulated sugar. I know it is not good for you, as some people say, but that may I use because I do not like to use brown sugar to sweeten my drink because it changes the color and it makes the drink taste heavy. So no brown sugar. You can use whatever you want to use. You don't have to sweeten it either if you don't want to. You can use honey. I do not like honey. Sweeten it. Then I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lime, and that's it. That's my drink. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the post notification bell so that you can know when I uploaded a new video.